I think it's safe to say one of the most hated cars in the car community is a straight-piped NA Honda Civic. So with that being said, today we're going to be straight piping my NA Honda Civic. I've been told the neighbor's gonna call the cops on me. Oh gosh. You know what we can do? Yo! Is that stupid? That's insane! What the? What the? What the hell? Oh. It's got that rattly can noise. Oh, oh baby! Oh, that's so bad. That's not okay. Oh man.
We went like 10 miles an hour, bro. I think I was jealous.
I think he was.
That went flying. Oh yeah, that was good. This thing is awesome. Bro, that is too much. You need to light this car on fire and never drive it again, bro.
It's so fun. It's so bad.
I'm driving?
Yeah.
It's dead.
It's dead!
It's fully dead.
I must have left the lights on. Oh, I did leave the lights on. Yeah.
Damn.
Whenever you okay, more. I just need to, it's cold starting. Try again. Try again. That was a fail.
Idiots.
We almost had it.
Whose idea was it to push start it? Oh, beautiful heel toe.
It's so much better on the wet roads.
That sounded hot as fuck.
There you go. Now our next mission is we need to find an open parking lot. And I bought something I wanted to do since I was a child. This might relate to a lot of you guys. It's kind of a nostalgic throwback. We have McDonald's trays where we put these under the rear tires and slide it around in a parking lot. So we're gonna live that dream today.
That's crazy. DK, dude. DK, straight up.
All right, let's get the trays placed under the tires here. I give these trays maybe like 15 seconds.
Yeah, it's just a matter of them like staying on. I don't think they're gonna stay on.
I've never done this. I don't even know what we're doing.
It's the first time for everything. Oh, they're destroyed. They're destroyed. Look, they're steaming, bro. They're steaming.
We need to get metal ones because that was way too fun.
Oh, that was fire. You were like doing all, dude, you were straight up like all-wheel drive, like donuts.
Now let's hope they have metal trays. The next question, are they gonna be $1?
No.
Probably like $1.25.
Oh, baby. Oh, they got round and square.
Oh, dude, this is gonna destroy so quick.
How thin is it?
Thin.
Oh my god, it's
We
like
need-
sheet metal, dude.
It better be $1.
It's pressed sheet metal.
Do they have?
It's sheet metal, dude.
Yeah.
You could freaking side your shop with this. Probably be cheaper.
We'll grab 12 to be safe.
Remmy goes, oh shit!
I thought I was about to rebuild the car for a second.
That was funny. It's gonna be so bad.
I honestly didn't think it was gonna be this busy. I thought malls were dead. It's already loud and we're not even under anything yet.
It's gonna be so bad. Oh, this is gonna be so bad.
Sender.
I can feel it already. Oh my god.
Oh, that's bad.
That's super bad. Yeah, my car has issues.
Just keep going.
I'm going. He's gonna follow us. He's following us, bro. No way. No way. We're getting pulled over. Oh no, what are we gonna do?
Man, we did nothing wrong. Just keep driving. Just keep driving.
Let's just do loops.
I just keep going.
What if we play hide and seek with him? Oh, he's gone. Oh, now he's turning. Oh, no way.
Oh, we're golden, baby.
The guy.
Oh, that's actual cops.
Oh my
up
god,
there.
god.
That's like
damn it.
legit
Oh, yeah,
cops.
fucking go.
That's
Yeah, we're fucked.
That's legit.
Oh,
they're backing up.
We're so fucked. We're so fucked.
That's the actual
we're so
police there.
We're so fucked, bro. We're so fucked. Holy shit. Oh, if they don't arrest us, bro. So act of God. I'm gonna go left. Oh, there's nowhere we can go.
There's
There's nowhere we can
We
go.
gotta drive back.
Dude. Oh fuck. I'm gonna, dude. If they don't pull us over, I'm like, what?
I don't think they actually have any. This is private property. This is mall.
Oh yeah.
I don't
you
think
guys
the
can't do
actual cops can do
anything.
anything. No.
Oh. Oh,
We're
we're
just
just
looking-
testing out a new exhaust. I know. That's why I'm wearing these. Do you like it? No? Okay. Too loud?
I think they literally melted.
No way.
No, I think you're good. Just kind of flattened the damn thing.
Oh, they're up!
We should have picked up cones and made a little drift circuit.
Oh, dude, that would be dope. Hit this jump, dude.
Dude, if this car was like an actual beater, I would be setting that. No, I can't. You ever tried floating gears?
Yeah, I heard about that.
I don't know how to do it, but let's try it.
Fuck it. Oh, this shit is so bad. No way. Yes, yes, please, 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 no, no. How is this engine still running, dude?
I don't know.
What is going on?
Maybe I should just boost a D series.
Fuck it. Oh, you can't even see me from here.
I don't think that's illegal.
I hope we get followed.
It's not
I
illegal.
hope we get followed.
No, he's not going to
I
stop
hope we-
traffic to wait for our light to go. I have no headlights either.
Oh, he's looking straight at you,
Is he
bro.
actually?
He's looking straight at you.
You're messing with me.
I'm not even messing with you. He's looking straight at you. I'm not even messing. I low-key think we're about to be pulled over. No fucking way. I feel like that's how you properly kill a motor. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. That's so bad.
Oh, I thought it.
How is it not blowing up? No, seatbelt's better.
It is way better.
Man down.
I lost both of them. That one's smoking.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can make some cookies now.
Built to last. Now, as much fun as we had in this video driving the Honda around in the most obnoxious manner possible, I don't understand how some people genuinely like their straight pipe Hondas and can drive daily with it. I legitimately came home every single time I drove that car with a migraine, like legitimately hurt me. But that was so much fun. Now, it does have me wanting to buy an actual beater and just hoon around like crazy, off-road, whatever it may be. But this chassis is way too nice. I don't want to damage it. And a little sneak peek at the next video. We could not blow up the D-Series, at least without like purposefully blowing it up, like draining the oil, something like that. So the old engine is now gone. No more 60 horsepower. As you guys know, I'm a horsepower junkie, like any of my cars I have on the channel. So, in front of us, a little sneak peek in the next video, we have now fixed that problem. Now, obviously, the build isn't quite done here, but in just a few days, this build will be wrapped up, and it's gonna be such a fun 6-ish 100 horsepower, just ripper. But there we go. I own 2 Hondas, and I've never actually experienced true Honda life until this video, and I'm happy to say that I stuck with builds this route. As much fun as we had, I could not do that for more than this video took. I mean, this video I think was already stretched over 3 days because it hurt my head that much. But there we go, boys. Stay tuned. This is kind of just a filler build in the meantime. It's not my new crazy build. There's 2 cars I'm trying to buy right now. So I need to keep my hands working. This is the perfect build to fill that void, as this is not a street car. I cannot drive that car on the street as much as I would love to. This, on the other hand, this is a street car. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More of just a goofy hooning around, completely unstructured video, but it was a fun time. Hopefully it's a fun Sunday watch for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But in case you guys don't follow me on any of my other platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever it may be, you guys have been missing out on some fun content. This is my lawnmower that I turbocharged, the gnarliest turbo kit I've ever seen on a push lawnmower. We are in the midst of doing some more work on this, but you guys gotta go check out my other platforms. I am thinking about doing a full riding mower build on YouTube. If that's something you guys would like to see, if you guys have made it this far in the video, let me know down below. We would make it the craziest riding mower ever. Wheelies, twin turbo, nitrous. Let me know.